For a perfect mix of beachfront relaxation and family-friendly fun, Batihan Beach Resort and Spa is a fantastic choice in Kusadasi. Set along a beautiful stretch of sandy beach, this resort offers stunning sea views and everything you need for an unforgettable getaway. The rooms are modern, comfortable and well-equipped, many with private balconies overlooking the Aegean, perfect for soaking in the sunset. The pool area is a highlight, with multiple pools, water slides, and plenty of space to lounge in the sun. And with direct beach access, crystal clear waters are just steps away. Dining is a treat, with a variety of delicious options, from traditional Turkish dishes to international favorites, all served in a lively atmosphere. For those looking to unwind, the luxurious spa offers a hammam, massages, and wellness treatments, while active guests can enjoy water sports, fitness facilities, and daytime activities. Evenings are just as exciting, with live entertainment, music, and themed events ensuring the fun never stops. For a sun-soaked holiday with something for everyone, Batihan Beach Resort and Spa is a top choice in Kusadasi.